I've been working here since well, it's about 8.5 years. I was a sailing member here for 6 or 7 years before that.
Yep, you've been involved in yachting and sailing your whole life.
Yeah, a little bit in South Australia before moving to Victoria, and but working here for 8.5 years.
Awesome.
I remember when you first turned up, PJ, with the idea and explained what you're trying to do and the methodology behind it, and so it's been a couple of years now, I guess,
yes,
hasn't it?
Yeah.
And we've seen the iteration and the changes and the improvements, and everything's going in the right direction. So it's and the people on board, the people out in the marina who understand it, everyone takes an interest in it. So it's been a lot of fun actually. Yeah, on that day, it was about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I happened to be just sitting in my office at my desk with my assistant, and one of the features, as you know, my phone pinged off, advising me of an alert, an alarm, I guess, someone has pulled the cord. I looked, we've got marina cameras out there, so first of all looked at the cameras to see if there's anything immediately obvious. Nothing was visible immediately. This is only 30 seconds after the alarm, and then I was about to call you, and I thought maybe you'd been out testing, and that's what caused it, and that's you called me and said it wasn't you, it wasn't me. So my assistant then went out on the golf cart, arrived on scene. Because it sets off a localised alarm, it did alert a couple of other people out there on the marina, one of which knew exactly what it potentially meant. The others heard the alarm. They didn't know specifically what it was for, but they hopped off their boat to investigate and found the person there as well. So they found the gentleman. He was unable to extricate himself by himself. So if it wasn't for these other guys, the situation, the result would have been very different. So. It worked perfectly. It worked exactly how you designed it. As I said, he would have been incapable, this particular gentleman would have been incapable of getting out on his own steam. There was no one in the immediate vicinity, no one heard the splash. If it wasn't for the system, there wouldn't have been an alarm, no one would have necessarily known what's going on. He was probably unable even to call for assistance. So the system was faultless. You could tell from the alerts that I got on my phone that there was 2 separate locations that he pulled, which lessens the chance that it was a false alarm. In this situation, given the person involved and the situation involved, even though it was during the day at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, very likely I think he would have died. There was no other way he was going to be able to raise the alarm. No one would have known necessarily. It could be, someone eventually might have found him, but more than likely not. No one was heading out. It's on a very furthest arm of the marina. So, without this system, I generally think we more than likely would have had a fatality.